We're going up to 900 feet here. You have two options, 900 and 800 feet. I would suggest the 900. Still going. Ooh, this is far. So this is nice and comfortable. I'm seated, she strapped me in nicely. Ooh. It's a little scary looking down though. Don't jerk my toes. Oh gosh, shouldn't have looked down. Oh, oh wow. Oh gosh. Whew. All right. Okay. I think I kind of want to come down. Not gonna lie. Okay. I will say, if you're gonna do this, once you're up here, don't look down. Just look out. Admittedly, I am a little afraid of heights. I don't know why I do this, but oh gosh. Oh gosh. Very sorry. Oh shoot. Okay. It's not uncomfortable. It's just, oh man. I'm not gonna lie, I do kind of want to come back down now. Here's the book. We're just gonna sit up here. Alright, calm down. Oh, calm down. Okay. Just relax. Okay. It's pretty much the wind that's getting me. I was fine until it started getting windy. This is high. This is a lot higher than I thought. I feel like we're reeling in. I'm not sure. Oh gosh. Oh man. Where's the boat at? I don't even see him. Oh, it's down there. It's a little speck. Oh gosh. Oh boy. Oh gosh. Okay. I'm shaking a little bit. Okay, now I reel it in, and now I see the boat. That was good. I freaked out for a little bit though. Oh my gosh. Oh, not the whole time. I had to like talk to myself for a little bit. Oh my gosh. Okay. Woo! Oh man.
That was not easy.
That was.
I'm proud of you.
Oh man. Thanks so much.